Yeah, so hi everybody, welcome back. Thanks for watching. You're all very welcome. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Mark. So again, thanks for watching. So, 2022 is over. I thought I'd go over bits of kit I got this year. I didn't really get that much bits of kit, but the bits of kit I got were good quality, so I should have them for many years as well, you know. So I just favourite bits of kit that I've used already, and I think they're great. So look, without any further ado, I'll get it. They're in no particular order, I'm not counting them down or anything. Okay, actually the first bit of kit is the camera I'm filming with, and I have to give a big thanks to a good friend of mine, Lee. He didn't want to be mentioned, but I have to say it, thanks very much. So some people have noticed and said that the production levels have gone up, the visuals and so on. Well, that's all thanks to that camera there. So thanks again, Lee, for getting that for me. The best mate ever, BFFs. So right, so okay, Jesus, this is like all my friends were giving me stuff, and you know, to help me get on with the channel. This is another thing. Now this was a Terra Nova. It's a Terra Nova Laser Competition 1. Yeah, Terra Nova Laser Competition 1. Yeah, I love it. Of course, now it's my favourite tent. It only takes 4 pegs. You can set this tent up. 4 pegs. All right, is it? Yeah, it is. It's 4. It's crazy. Like, you can put other protection on it around the poles if it's really wet, and then that'll take another 2. But 6 pegs puts this tent up, and 1 long pole and 2 little short poles at either end. So oh yeah, there is. It's 6 pegs because you have to peg those down. So it's 6 and then 8 if you put on the other thing. Yeah, so it's super light. It packs up. I mean, I can take it down in probably not much more than 2 minutes. You know, really take it down. I can put it up in 5. It's stealth. It's it doesn't take up much foot space. It's lightweight, and really squashed down, smaller than a football, like. So yeah, so I love that tent, and that was a gift from Max. I thought you should have sold it to me or something, or even asked me for some money for it, but he wanted to give it to me. So yeah, that was another thing. Yeah, favourite bit of kit, and I'll be using that for years. Yeah, I was going to say things about other tents, but no, we'll just stick on this. Okay, another little thing here. This only cost €20 on Amazon. You see, it's a little bag, yeah. At the moment I'm using to keep in cotton wool fire lighters, cotton wool Vaseline, just a fire kit, yeah. But look at this. It's actually it's actually for foraging. Whatever wild foods, yeah. Or I've actually used it to hold me GoPro, and I have to look at that there. I love gadgets. And then it has that then, and it just clips onto your belt, you know. So isn't that really cool? And then ta-da, as if by magic, it opens, and there's quite a lot of room in it. I mean, you'd fit 6 oranges in that. You probably would easily. And then there'd be obviously air left around it. But yeah, it's a dead handy thing just for I've used it for loads of different things, you know. But at the moment it's my fire kit bag. Yeah, it smells of it. Anyway, yeah. So where were we? The tent there. Okay, which else was my favourite? Oh, here, this. I have to give a big up for this. This is a brand, a teddy fleece. I got it from Military First. It's breathable. I've been out with it now about 4 or 5 times in the winter. It's great. Now we've had a very mild winter so far this year. You know, a lot of clouds, but not even that much rain. Like the last week, like. So yeah. So this is me winter. I've nicknamed it the Bear. You know, because just wrap her on. It's breathable in there. See the breathable mesh. Yeah, it's kept me really toasty warm. I haven't needed anything else. You know, with 2 proper layers underneath as well. So that's the Bear. It's called a teddy fleece anyway, if you want to get one. I think they're about 80, 100 euros or something like that. Anyways, okay, so that's how many? 3. How many have I got? 4 more here. Yeah, me knife, me custom made knife, I'm gonna have to clean it. Joseph Steins, if you're looking at this, you're probably going to give that a clean. It needs a good clean. I was using it even as a poker for the stove, the tent stove. Yeah, but it's a great piece of tool. It is. Still, I haven't had to sharpen it. I do a lot of battening with it as well, and a lot of doing out the feather sticks and stuff, you know. It's a good bit of weight in it, so I actually don't really need to bring my axe if I have this with me, because I can do most of the things I can do with an axe, you know, on a big piece of wood with this thing. So it's a great tool. I love the leather case he makes as well. Everything was made by hand by him in Dublin. So Joseph Steins, thank you. So that's another bit of favourite kit of mine that I love. Where are we there now? Oh yeah, this mega tool bag and survival kit bag. I've turned it into both. There's a video up there on it. It's a great little tool kit bag. I used to have all these things separate on me in my backpack. So everything fits in this here now. So if I'm going woodlands, I haven't done as much hiking as I've done previous years, so I hope to address that this year. But if I'm going woodlands, everything goes into that. So everything, and I just pick it up and I know everything's in it then. And survival stuff as well, you know. So, yeah, that's been a mega bag, so I've hooked that. Right, 2 more left. Okay, I have to give a big shout out to camera rest. These are brilliant. To Neo Air. There's lots of different. I think there's about 3. From what I can see, there's what are the Xped, Thermarest, and Big Agnes. Are these probably the 3 better ones? You're paying for our value all the time, but 6.9 for 250 euros. That's quite good. I know I don't have to worry about another mat now for years and years. Providing I look after it and I don't wreck it or I don't puncture it or laying it down somewhere stupidly before I check the ground, you know. So yeah, so that's a great bit. And the last bit, this humble, it's a shamag, or they were called when I was young PLO scarves, the Palestinian Liberation Organization scarf. It's just been brilliant for me in the winter. You know, you can just wrap it around from loads of different ways to keep you warm. It's such a simple little piece of kit. I think it costs about 15 euros on Amazon. I'm not affiliated with any of these links, by the way. I'm not going to do that. I know other YouTubers do it, but no. If you want to support me, my patches are always there, and that's great support, because all the ones I sold last year, I was able to do, you know, more trips because I put it into train fares and transport and stuff like that. So I went right back into the channel, and that's how I was able to do. You know, I was able to do an extra 10 journeys last year that I wouldn't have been able to finance. So if you want to support me, I know just buy me a beer, buy me a coffee, but look, if you buy a patch from me, that helps me, and you get something for it in the exchange. Yeah. So yeah, a simple little scarf. Well, let me go through those again. Yeah, a good warm jacket for winter, a lightweight tent for hiking and trekking, which I haven't done much, a little bag for storing many different things, lots of different things, anything you can think of, a tool bag, the mat, and is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, and the camera. Thanks very much, Lee. So yeah, I hope you like that video. I hope you don't mind that I done it indoors. It's spitting rain and it's windy, so I've got to cover up the camera from getting wet, and I've got to do the sound and all, so it's just much easier. So I'm being lazy actually doing it here. I hope you don't mind. But look, I'll see you on the next adventure. I'll be out, what day is today? Oh, I'll be out in a couple of days actually. I'm just doing a solo, so yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this solo. So yeah, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe, hit that bell, all of that stuff. Yeah, it helps out. So I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.